This Porsche 911 reimagined pricing, and we are celebrating a Porsche tribute. This has got a something 4-litre hot V8 engine under the bonnet, all aluminium body frame, rear wheel drive, 650 horsepower. Flying up the hill. Yes, and the caravan didn't know where to look. The car was so luridly side brand. One of that. Ferrari are headed this flagship not a bit well. And the F80 from this year heads up the hill. Cars fitted with a race exhaust as well. Ferrari's latest limited series halo car after the F40 and the F50. The Enzo hybrid 914 units of those being made out on the track. This car is slightly different. It is the Praga. I think this car is the car to do it with. Certainly is. The crossing also represented up and down a couple of 30. Now, we also caught a glimpse of this. This is the Yankee. Yes, we saw this on the start line. Now we see it in action. It's the Extra 6.5-litre naturally aspirated V12 with 830 horsepower. It is the most powerful Lamborghini naturally aspirated V12 car the Italian firm has ever made, and it sounds being reinvented.
Yeah, I know exactly how that feels, Dad, don't I? Because someone can't put a cap on.
Henry Ford 2 went right. We're going for you, make your big one. And brilliant to see. It was a phenomenal race. Just see those three cars.
That's